Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Hope you all will be good. This is your SST class, and we have two books of SST. This is your SST textbook, and this is your SST skills book. Okay, first we will read in SST textbook, then we will do work in SST skills book. Today we are going to start a new unit number 4 at the seaside, and we have to read page number 14, 15, 16 and 17. So first take out your SST textbook and open page number 16. Sorry, page number 14. First open page number 14. Here are some topics. So first we will read about the sea. Unit number 4, at the seaside, the sea. Tanya, Rafe and Zen. There are three children. Tanya, Rafe and Zen go to the beach. IB goes too. Who is IB? I have told you in previous class that he is Ibn Battuta. Wow, says Rafe to IB. The sea is so big. They all are on the beach. That after that they are saying the sea is so big. Birds are flying in the sky. Look at here. Birds are flying in the sky. There are little boats and big ships on the sea. This is little boat and this is big ships. There are people on the beach. Here are some people on the beach. There are camels and horses on the beach too. This is camel and this is, where is horse? Here is also horse. Now come to page number 15. Tanya's choice. Here is horse and here is camel. Now she has two choice. Let's see that which animal she will select for riding. You can have one treat, says Mama. You can choose. Can I have a ride? Asks Tanya. Who is asking? Tanya is asking to Mama. Yes, says Mama. Would you like a camel ride or a horse ride? I have told you that there are two animals for riding, horse and camel. So, which animal Tanya will select? Let's see. Tanya chooses a horse ride. She selects horse for riding. Mama pays the man some money. Tanya enjoys the ride, but the man hits the horse. The horse looks sad. Poor horse, says Ivy to Rafi. Here is one man and he misbehaved with horse. Now what happened? Come to page number 16. Here is Zen's choice. The children see a man with a monkey. This is a man. This is a man with monkey. And here is one more man and he is with snake. They see a man with a snake. Can I see a trick? Asks Zen. Yes, says Mama. Would you like to see monkey tricks or snake tricks? She is asking that do you have two choices, so which animals do you wanna select? Zen chooses the monkey. Mama pays the man some money. The monkey does funny tricks, but it looks sad. He is not happy with it. Poor monkey, says Ivy to Rafe. Are monkeys and snakes usually tame or wild? They both are wild animals. We cannot keep it at home. Now come to page number 17. Rafe's choice. The children see a boy with two birds. Here is one boy and he has two birds in a cage. One bird is green. Look at here. One bird is green. One bird is black. One bird is black and they both are in cage. Rafe chooses the black bird. Mama pays the boy some money. The bird is beautiful, but it looks sad. It cannot fly. Because where is the bird? The bird is in cage. Poor bird, says Ivy to Rafe. Ivy is continuously saying to Rafe something. Rafe opens the cage door and the bird flies away. Look at here, now the bird is happy. Okay, student, you will read this chapter again. Now take out your SST skill book. And what will you do? You will open page number 14. Now we will do some work in skills book. What we see at the beach. What will you do here? First, here are some pictures. So you can fill colors here. Colors are mentioned here. Things are also mentioned here, that in which thing you will fill which color. So first read it carefully, then you will fill color here. Okay, you will do it by yourself. Now come to exercise B. We will start working from here. Take out your pencil. Count and write. Here is one picture. First we have to count the things. After that we will complete these sentences. There are dashboards. How many boards are there? Look at here. Here is one board. Here is also. So how many? One, two. You will write here two. There are dash horses. Where is horse? Horse is here and horse is here. So how many horses are there? One and two. So you will also write here two horses. There is dash ship. Where is the ship? Here is. And there is only one ship. So that's why we will write here just one. Number 4. There are dash men. This is man. He is also man. Both are men and he is also. So now we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many men are there? There are 5 men. So we will write here 5. There are dash birds. How many birds are there? First we have to count it. Look at here, there are birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write here 5. Number 6, there are dash women. How many women are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We will write here 5. There are dash camels. How many camels are there? Look at here. This is camel and this is, and here is also. So 1, 2 and 3. You will write here 3 camels. Last, there are dash children. How many children are there? They all are children. How many children? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you will write here just 4. Don't write these all things here. It's just for explanation. So you will just fill here color and you will write the numbers here. Now come to page number 16. Do it fast. Tame and wild animals. Tick the tame animals, cross the wild animals. Tame animals means we can keep at home. They are not dangerous for us, and wild animals, they are dangerous for us. We cannot keep it at home. Here is one dog. It's tame. So we will show here tick. Tiger. This is wild. We will show here cross. A shark. It's also wild animal. So we will show here cross. A whale, it's also wild animal. So we will show here cross. A camel, it's not wild animal. We will show here tick. Monkey is also wild. We will show here cross. A shellfish, it's also wild animal. This is this is too much innocent fish. We can keep it at home. We will show here tick. And a horse is also tame animal. So we will show here tick. Now come to exercise B. Put these animals in the right boxes. We are talking about these animals. Here we have two columns, live in water and live on land. Some animals live in water and some animals live on land. So let's see who live in water. A whale is written here. So which animals live in water? Here is a whale is written a shark. You will write here a shark. Spelling is given here, so you will copy from here. A shark, a shellfish, a shellfish. You will write here. And a fish. They all cannot live without water. Now, which animals they live on land? A dog is written here. A tiger. You will write the spelling here. A tiger. Must write a tiger. A camel. It's live on land. You will write here a camel. A horse. A horse. Come to page number 17. This is last page. Caring for animals. Tick the true sentences. How to care for a horse. Give it grass to eat. It's done. We should give grass to horse for eating. Hit it? No, we should not hit the animals. So show here cross. Give it water to drink? Yes, we should give water to drink two animals, for drinking water for two animals. ठीक है, show here trick. Keep it dirty, no. So you will write here cross. Be kind to it. Yes, we should be kind with animals. Write here tick. Keep it clean. Yes, we should keep it clean. Write here tick. Now come to exercise B. Complete these sentences. Alone, animals help homes. We have some words. Now we have to complete the sentences. Wild dash do not need us. Wild dash. We are talking about wild animals. Spelling is here, so you will just copy it from animals. Number two, but we can dash them, but we can help them. Do your work just with pencil. Number three, we can protect their dash homes. We are talking about their homes. So right here, and the last, we can leave them alone. Now you have to complete page number 14. Here you will fill color, page number 14, page number 16 and page number 17. Okay students, hope you all understood this topic. You will read this chapter again and you will complete your skills book working copy word. You have to complete from homework folder. Take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.